Hey, what's going on, guys? Mr. Reefer. So this is the video about making predictions. Now, the most important thing to remember in making predictions is that you're probably not going to come up with the exact answer. So anytime you're given a choice, and all these choices, all the questions are multiple choice on this activity. So in each case, you cannot be given an exact value. So right away, two of your answers that you're going to be given are not going to be correct. So you're really left with one or two choices, and simple math will help you figure that out. So this is an idea of that. Let's say you flip a coin, like a quarter, 400 times. How many times are you going to get tails? Well, every single quarter has two sides, a heads and a tails. And you're either going to get a heads or a tails. So your chance of getting a heads is 1/2 approximately, and the chance of getting a tails is 1/2. Now, as you continuously flip a coin, you're not going to actually stay, okay, I've now gotten half heads and half tails. One is going to be slightly more than the other, and one is going to be slightly less than the other, but probably pretty close to one another, even though you might be flipping over and over and over. So, out of these two choices, you're probably not going to get it exactly 200 times. It is possible to get it 200 times, but probably not likely. So, your better choice is getting close to 200, which is half of 400, because you have two choices. So it's 400 divided by 2, which is 200. So you're probably going to get close to 200, but not exactly 200. So let's try a different scenario here. I'm going to write one more thing down. Okay, so a deck of cards. Every deck of cards has 52 cards, and it's in 4 suits: hearts, and clubs, and diamonds, and spades. And let's say that you are going to draw from that 300 times. Well, what's the chance, we're going to say, of not getting let's just say a heart. I'm not getting a heart. Alright, well, the first thing you want to do here is, alright, so 300 times I'm going to draw. There's 4 suits. So I'm going to take 300, put it up here, and divide it by 4. Now 300 divided by 4 is 75. So theoretically, you should be getting every single suit 75 times. But you probably won't. Now, so that means that you're going to get a heart. You would probably get a heart somewhere around 75 times, a spade, a club, and a diamond, each around 75 times. But what's the chance of not getting a heart? Well, it's the others added up. So if each one is about 75, so 75 for hearts, 75 for clubs, 75 for spades, and 75 for diamonds. Each are your 1, 2, 3, 4 suits. Well, if this is hearts here, your chance of not getting heart is all these added up. Now, all this added up is 225. So, I'm just going to actually erase this here. So, your chance of not getting a heart is close to 225, but not exactly 225. So that's the key here is, number one, knowing that you're not going to get exactly on a number, but doing the math and seeing, okay, what makes more sense here? And knowing that it's going to be close to something. So just make sure you're doing the math. Most of the time it's division, and sometimes you have to add, but really you're going to be left with two choices. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to you all next time.